So today I'm going to be reviewing a wireless microphone for your camera, smartphone, whatever. What you hear right now is coming from that. We're going to do a few different tests with it. This should be kind of cool. An audio recorder, we're also going to try it with a smartphone, my camera, which is what it's hooked up to right now. Show you what that looks like. And really, I've just got it hooked right up here to the camera. My lapel mic is on. Transmitter is right here on my side. Ran that up under my shirt so you don't see the wire. As far as I can tell, I've done a couple little tests so far. 5, 6, 7, 8. So one thing that I really like about this is that if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I like to cut around a little bit. So I can be back here, doesn't matter. My audio levels are gonna stay the same. So if I walk back here and I'm talking to the camera, nothing's gonna be different than if I walk up here and I'm talking to the camera. I'm also gonna be doing some stuff with my drone and an external recorder. Should be kind of cool, hopefully. And a really good feature of this is that it was less than $50. I only paid like 46 bucks for this thing. And yeah. Alright, so now I'm recording using the microphone on my smartphone. It says in the description that that's not supposed to work, but it obviously does. Don't know why they say that, but I think it's working pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results so far with the phone, and so far everything that I've tested it with. The next thing that we're gonna do is hook it up to my drone. We're gonna be using an external microphone for that, and we'll see how that works out. Sync the audio. All right, so basically what I've done is I've got my drone set up here. We are going to take that for a flight. And then I've got the receiver hooked up to this little recorder. Link for that will also be in the description of this video. So we're just gonna set this right over here, kind of out of the way. And yeah. I forgot to hit record on here. The beeping messed me up a little bit, but nonetheless, still see that this works. Yeah. Maybe you shouldn't hover right over the fire. Yeah. See, I don't know how loud that's coming in. Hopefully it's not too bad. We'll take it over here a little bit. Curious how loud it is this close. That's why I'm bringing it right in. And hopefully everything is still recording. Yep, just check the receiver. Everything still looks good. We'll back up a little bit. Here. Give you guys a little bit better view. Yeah, so I think that that'll conclude the drone test. We'll see. I'll go in there, sync up the audio, see how it all turned out, which you obviously have already seen. And then the last thing that we're going to do is a distance test. So we'll get some distance on this thing, and yeah, we'll see just how far we can get it. All right, so now we're gonna try to see what kind of distance we can get out of this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start walking that direction. I'm gonna count every time I take a step with my left foot, so that should give us about 3 feet with every step. And we will see how it goes. My wife is standing right there watching me. It's kinda weird. Starting out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. I forgot to hit record.
No, you didn't.
Yeah. It's not recording, look. Just kidding. All right, let's see how that went. All right, guys. Well, all in all, I'm going to say that this thing is definitely cool. For the price, you can't beat it. I think it was $46, $47. Also forgot to mention, it does come with one of these things. I don't really plan on using that, but you know, that might be what you're into. I'm going to have links for everything in the video that you can get down in the description, so definitely go and check that out. And if you haven't yet, be sure to check out our other channels. We do some pretty cool content on there, from making knives, that's me, shooting guns, that's Scott, and doing survival gear and stuff like that, that's Mason. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Bye. Nah, that one's kind of stupid. Let's do this. I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm gonna try. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.